which cost the family approximately $300 million. However, the Saudi king resides in a far more lavish setting, the Royal Palace in Riyadh, which is a genuine architectural masterpiece and is practically priceless. Nevertheless, experts suggest that the materials and labor for constructing the royal complex would cost no less than $500 million. The 4.9 million square foot complex features a private hospital, several mosques, a royal cinema, and many other amenities. King Salman's car collection is just as impressive as his real estate portfolio, with over 7,000 cars in his possession, including some of the most exclusive and expensive models in the world. Among them are a $4.8 million Mercedes-Benz SL 600, a $3.4 million Bugatti Veyron, and a $2.5 million golden Rolls-Royce Phantom 7. In addition to his cars, King Salman also owns several ultra-luxurious private jets worth over $2 billion,